Alright. Here's what I'm listening to at the moment. Thank you, YouTube people who put up royalty-free music. This guy. He's awesome. I went through some of the songs in that, this video in the playlist. I might just link the playlist, actually. It's kind of nice. I do D&D every now and again, and it's quite fun. And I'm trying to distract you while I move around the camera, because I'm gonna need an interesting point of view. That might do it? Possibly? Maybe? I don't know. Alright, so 40 seconds in, not even a full minute, and I'm sure all of you are screaming, "Yeah!" Except, you sound less like a smoker. I know you saw the thumbnail and clicked on it, possibly with a quickness, especially with how I've been touting that brand. You can't see it. No, you kind of can. Well, what am I doing? I'm being a tease. Audiosense. They have agreed to help me further. And again, they have not asked for anything other than the amount due past the discount that they've given me. They haven't asked for a good review. They just say that they are confident that I'll enjoy it, that they think they're doing a great job. And if the T180 is any indication of the amazing they're doing, I can't help but wonder how the hell has anyone else not got on with it? Because I do realize that the T180 is not exactly a new thing, but whatever they did to change it, it is superb now. These are both the 2019, no, maybe? I believe these are both the 2019 edition with the revamped cable. It's just the box is old. And yes, I know it's packaged really weird. So, I was given the chance to grab another IEM. Cindy Wu, specifically. By the way, congratulations, you're my goddess of Audiosense, because I don't know what trickery you pulled or what magic you cast, but these got here a lot faster than they were supposed to. I was looking at, end of next week, somewhere in the beginning of the week following. No. These got here lickety-split and right quick. So, the T260 was the one offered, and I had requested, is there a chance I could also pay for a T100? I was told, yes, of course. Here's the bundled amount, and I'm like, okay, cool. Be careful when discounting the package, as it is an AliExpress. I'm gonna go ahead and add a case. I would like to have your IEM case. I saw it unboxing the T800, and I thought, hey, man, that looks really good. I would also like to purchase it. Well, Cindy, you're, again, my goddess of Audiosense. I was told, just put the T260 and we'll work on it. And I did make sure and request a copper. So, you can indeed talk to them first, and they would double-check your order to make sure you get what you've requested. So, yeah, that's still on the table. Oh god, don't tell me they're doing the construction now. Oh, you're shitting me. Are you really serious? Oh, fuck, why didn't I do this earlier in the goddamn day? Son of a... I'm sorry. I'm still going to record this. That was really fucking loud. I am so sorry. I'm just gonna keep recording. I'm sorry for the insane noise, the repaving a road. But I have been resisting. I had to go to the boot shop to get, my job requires metatarsal boots and, safety toes. If you don't know what a metatarsal is, think of it as the roof of your foot being guarded. I had to go get those. So, this is the case that it comes with. The T800s go with that. Yeah, that reflective surface got me. I edited that out. Sucks, I know. They asked if it was okay for them to just kind of jumble it together. I said, yeah, sure, go ahead. Cindy, you didn't tell me you were going to make it really super pretty and wrap it up all nice, tight, and proper. That's bloody professionalism right there. They're still giving me a full... Put that in the trash. Terribly sorry for the crinkles. They still gave me basically a full unboxing experience. Dual armature. We have one for low frequency, one for high frequency, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Separate base and high frequency balanced armature. And the T100 is special for it being a 6.2 millimeter single dynamic micro driver. I will hazard to guess that this is a Knowles dynamic balanced armature. Basically, it's a balanced armature that's round and behaves more like a dynamic. I've found them on a few of the Knowles authorized distributors. I don't know if this is actually Knowles, but considering they've been using customized from the factory of Knowles to balance armatures, I would venture to guess that this is the case. God, this comes in a nice box just all by itself. I mean, whew, that is pretty, isn't it? They even wrapped it up in plastic. I mean, not just plastic wrapped, but to put on... Oh, I see a silver. Oh, please let there be... Oh, please let there be copper. Oh, please let there be copper. If not, I'm gonna have to spend some more money and request that they send it really quick. Because I had a boo-boo with my new copper cable. I accidentally bent the pin. Oh, jeez. That is angry. Oh, they gave me a silver one and a copper one. Oh, this is... Ooh, that actually feels slightly better than the silver. It also looks to be maybe only a fraction of a percent. Yeah, get that get that calculated. Only slightly thicker, but oh, it is so much more smooth and movable and this one, it's the same. It still kind of moves, but I don't know, something about it feels more stiff than the copper. It could just be the fact that I like copper more. They do come with this beautiful little cable tie. Let me check it out. Yes, just looks like a hook and loop. Very basic hook and loop. But it's one of the better quality hook and loop cable ties that I've seen. Has that little bit here to hold on to the cable. And nice, just furry enough. Fuzzy enough, and it's not a rough feeling hook. Like, that's only mildly abrasive to the skin. A beautiful anti-tangler while I wrap it upper. Yes, that is its new technical name now on my channel, and if you refer to anything else, I'll call you silly. Silly. The same aggressive memory sleeving. That makes me extremely happy. Same jack here. All that's the same, but this is just copper. We're gonna close the knife and put it back over there. By the way, fun fact, magnetic boards for like holding screws and shit, really awesome for holding tools that are magnetic. And then I just put it up on the rack where all of my amps and decks and stuff are. This, holy shit. Wow, that is a good case. Yeah, this is legitimately getting used all the time. That's gotta be a PRD, pressure relief device. Oh, wow. Notice that it doesn't try or easily close on its own. To some people, that's like, oh, that's annoying. It's not manufactured well. No, 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 no. That's good. That's so good. Holy shit, that is really good. That lets you know it's actually engaging the rubber molding here, probably silicone, and lets you know it's actually engaging it. It is interfacing directly. And oh, okay. Yeah, no, that's kind of white thumbing it. If I didn't have gloves on, my skin would be turning white, so the very deliberate pressure is required. Yeah, this is most definitely waterproof, or at least water resistant to some aspect or another. Not a super healthy snap on the case, but once it goes in, yeah, it stays. Nice little, man, that is lovely. Wait a minute. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah, I'm one of those weirdos. I've got tips equal to 2 of the units purchased. Tons and tons and tons of the foams and tons and tons and tons of the silicones. But I have an upgrade. I bought some Wetstone tips. I'll link to those in the description. I'll probably also link to the... maybe not the, actual playlist. Not playlist. The actual wish list that I put those in, until I can sort out what it calls me. Man, that caught air! Holy shit, that was cool. They held in. Now, these may look a bit orangish on the camera, but I can assure you that these are very, very red. Beep. Yeah, look at that. These are the T100 Dynamics. These are red. Not nearly as orange. There goes a glove. Shit. See, look. Super orange, like burnt red orange. More red than anything else. More careful this time. Ooh, good and clear. These are their T260s. You can easily see those BAs in there. Oh, that is beautiful. Man, that base BA is absolutely obnoxiously large. Check that shit out. Same Umbrella Corp logo. Let's get our eyes on this one. Focus, you fuck. Nope, mine is not voice activated. I tried. Oh, I'm too close, that's why. So, there's your single dynamic right there. There's the dampening. Let's see. The T100 also has a filter installed, and there is a tool you can buy for that. And really quickly, before I give these a listening test, initial impressions, yes, this one does have a filter installed as well. I don't know what kind or what type, but they may not share. But there are tools to change these out. So, I'm going to give these a listen. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. And I've made a bit of a mess, as you can see. I pulled out some stops. Oh, shit. Sorry about that. And, well, my mistake was probably starting with the dynamic that, has more base than you can shake a stick at, quite frankly. And then moving on to the balanced armatures. So, after doing that, I wasn't super initially happy. So, these are going to require some more time and dedicated testing. After I had readjusted myself back to the T180s and then went to the T260s, I was more satisfied with them. But, these were angry. These were angry. These are going to get their own dear sweet time on their own, and not, compared. These are a beast all their own, and you see it right. I'm actually plugging the silver cable into them. Hint, hint, wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Think it might be the type of driver I think it is, because, boy, it was really sensitive to change. Well, not really. It's a bit much. It was a bit sensitive to the change in cabling. Not as much and as telling as the balanced armatures, obviously, but, enough. Enough that well, you see the cable they're attached to. I'm going to have to bring my babies with me tomorrow for work. I'm pulling an extra shift. And I'm going to have to get reacclimated to the T1A. Farsil's a tired boy. I'm going to have to get reacclimated to the T180s. And then move on to the T260s. I'm not sure how I feel initially. Well, that's all we have for the unboxing and the initial impressions. Think these are a lot better than I'm thinking right now. Mostly because I destroyed my ears with obscene amounts of bass from the single micro dynamic. So more to come later, most assuredly. But yes, Cindy Wu, you are my goddess of Audiosense. These got here very quick. They both work really well. The copper cable is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Well, thank you very much for watching. Have a beautiful morning, a lovely afternoon, a pleasant night. May you travel far and wide in your sleep, children, and may it be pleasant. So long as it helps you to come back and see me again soon. Farsil, the wizard. Feel free to join the Discord, by the way. Link in the description below. You never know who you're going to meet there. You really don't. So, I guess, poof.